Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video we will explain to you what NFT tokens are and why everybody is so crazy about them. Let's roll! NFT is the abbreviation of a non-fungible token. They are the tokens that have marks of exclusivity and uniqueness, because each of them is one of a kind and cannot be replaced or restored. In the crypto world, NFTs act as a rarity. Now, let's examine how NFTs actually work. NFTs exist on a blockchain, which is a distributed public ledger that records transactions. Usually, NFTs are issued on the Ethereum blockchain, although it's possible to issue them on other blockchains as well. An NFT is created or minted out of digital objects that represent both tangible and intangible items, including art, videos, music, collectibles, gifts, and more. Basically, NFTs are like physical collector's items, only in a digital form. So, instead of getting an actual oil painting to hang on the wall, the buyer gets a digital file instead. They also get exclusive ownership rights. NFTs can have only one owner at a time. NFTs' unique data make it easy to verify the ownership and save information about the transfer of the token from one owner to another. The owner or creator can also store specific information inside them. For example, artists can sign their artwork by including their signatures in an NFT's metadata. Let's dive into the very short history of NFTs. One of the first NFT tokens was portraying Homer Pepe, Homer Simpson stylized as Pepe the Frog. In 2016, Joe Looney made it, and in 2018 showcased it at the Rare Art Labs Digital Art Festival. Later, this NFT was sold for 205 ETH, which at the time equaled $320,000. In 2017, CryptoKitties emerged, the blockchain analogue of the Tamagotchi. CryptoKitties is a game developed by Canadian student Dapper Labs. It allows players to keep and breed virtual cats. The most expensive kitty, named Dragon, was sold for 600 ETH in 2018. Now, 4 years later, the same Dapper Labs is in collaboration with the National Basketball Association, working on the digital development of the NBA and its implementation into the blockchain. Nowadays, as the NFT spree has been revving up, it has intruded into more and more fields of action: economics, gaming, show business, education, real estate, sports. But the most fruitful area seems to be entertainment and art. First of all, the gaming industry is rich soil for NFT development. Gamers are ready to pay for the opportunity to play with the unique characters, wearing and utilizing unique apparel and tools. Moreover, NFT's interoperability allows users to transfer virtual assets from one game dimension to another, making the gaming fun limitless. Further on, DJ 3Lau became the first musician who turned his music album into the limited edition of NFT. It weighted his bank account for $11.6 million. All in all, the demand for digital art is only growing now. The most favourable NFTs are with the occult symbols and with the animal images. For example, CryptoPunks created a picture of the pixel art monkey with a hat that was sold for 140 ETH, about $150,000 at that time, in January 2021. Even the DC Comics company has recently stepped into the crypto market. DC started their journey with hyped and profitable NFTs representing DC superheroes. So why is everybody going crazy about NFTs? To explain this psychological phenomenon, we can compare the value of NFTs in their unique nature with the unique nature of rare coins, vinyl records, baseball cards, etc. All of these things are expensive, and they are usually exploited within close groups of people. They show off the status of a person and emphasize belonging to the elite club. So it is possible to say that NFTs can act as a pass to certain privileges. As it is still the trend, whether long-term or short-term, there is some prospect that in this year the capitalization might grow 3 to 4 times compared to 2020. It sounds quite truthful, as Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, has launched the NFT Art Fund. According to his words, Sun aims to make Just NFT Fund the first museum of digital art, where the world's most significant artworks will be legally acknowledged. More than that, NFTs are prone to make a revolution in the field of property rights, as they confirm the authenticity online and make scams more difficult to complete. Copyright protection would become more open yet secure, which would positively affect many fields of our everyday life. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the crypto world a little bit better. Stay tuned and do not miss our next videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more educational videos from SimpleSwap.